Students, this video is going to be about accountability and professionalism. This is one of the most important videos in the Start Here module because it sets expectations for how this course runs and how you should operate in it. I'm not doing this to be strict for fun. I'm doing this because online courses only work when expectations are clear and everyone follows the same rules. So, very first, personal responsibility is the foundation. A cornerstone of this course is what you're responsible for. The cornerstone of this course is that you are responsible for your own success. That means you must read and understand the policies of the syllabus, follow Tulsa Community College and university policies, especially around the academic integrity and plagiarism rules. Stay informed about deadlines, requirements, announcements, and assignment changes, and manage your time so you're not constantly in a crisis mode. Online courses do not remind you the way an in-person class does. You have to develop the habit of checking the course site and keeping yourself on track. That's adult learning. That's how this works. Next is professional conduct. Treat this like a workplace. You are expected to act like an adult in a professional environment. That means you communicate respectfully. You don't act hostile or demeaning towards the professor or your other students. You handle feedback professionally, and you keep your tone and behavior aligned with what would be acceptable in a workplace. Here's the reality. Analytics is a professional skill, and this class is training you for that environment. Unprofessional behavior, hostility, insults, harassment, repeated disrespect is not a personality. It's a choice, and it can result in serious academic consequences, including failure and being physically removed from my class. I'm not interested in drama. I'm interested in you learning the material and finishing the course stronger than when you started. Next is a mindset shift. You are, unfortunately, not the customer. I want to really address this because it matters in higher education. In this course, in this university, in higher education as a whole, you are not the customer. You are the product being prepared for society. And here's what that means. Paying tuition does not guarantee a passing grade. Effort alone does not guarantee a passing grade. You pass by meeting the standards and completing the requirements. I want you to succeed. But success happens when you produce work that meets the expectation. That's not harsh, that's reality. That's the same logic that the job market uses. For too long, people have said that I am the customer, I pay your tuition, I pay your salary. The university is the customer, or the institution is the manufacturer. Society as a whole is the customer, and you are the product being created. Society for generations has paid in and said that we want a highly competent, educated workforce that meets these standards. And so they created a base of manufacturing, the education unit, and said, you will produce a high quality product. And if it's not a high quality product, you will fail it, so we know that it is not a high quality product. That high quality product that we are producing for society is you, the student. So you are not the customer. You are the product. And for concurrent enrollment students or dual credit students, if you're a high school student in a dual or concurrent enrollment environment, I want you to listen very closely. You are incredibly welcome here, but you're going to be treated like a regular adult or college student. This is not high school. If you treat it like high school class, late work, missing work, makeup expectations, the expectation that you can't make a zero, you are going to struggle. The expectations are the same for everyone in this class. It does not matter your age, your grade, your enrollment, your capabilities. The deadlines are the deadlines because that is fair when everyone is treated equally. For parents, significant others, families, and friends, very important policy. I understand that family support can be incredibly helpful, but only you are enrolled in this course. That means I communicate about grades, progress, content, anything else with only you. Not a parent, not a spouse, not a friend, a coworker, not anyone else. And there's very much an even more important rule. No one else is allowed to complete your work or access your account. Letting someone else log into your Blackboard account, take quizzes or exams, submitting assignments, edit work as if it's theirs, or help in a way that crosses the line into doing it for you, that's an academic integrity violation and results in an automatic failure. This protects fairness, privacy, and credibility, It also protects you from someone else damaging your academic record. Number 6 is communication policies, how to contact me. All course communications happens through your TCC Community College email. This keeps things organized and official, and it ensures I can actually verify who I'm talking to. If a meeting is needed, it will be done through a recorded Zoom session. That is accessibility and transparency. It protects everyone and allows you to rewatch explanations if needed. Number 7, how to succeed under these expectations. So here's what professional looks like in this course. You read the instructions before starting the work. You start assignments early enough to recover from errors. You submit on time. You ask questions respectfully and clearly. You accept feedback like a professional, and you handle problems early, not after the deadline. If you do that, you will have an incredibly smooth semester. So that's student accountability and professionalism. This course is designed to build real skills, and that requires adult behavior, consistent participation, and integrity. If you're ready to operate that way, you're going to do very well here. If you don't want to, you're not going to. All right. From here, just move on to the next video. Understand that you are not the customer, and you will be treated with dignity and respect in my class, and I expect you to treat others with dignity and respect as well. Have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.